Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you unblock someone on Instagram, maybe you blocked them on purpose or by accident and now you want to know how can you unblock them, you came to the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way for everything to work properly. So open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and simply find Instagram from here to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newest version for everything again to function properly. And then you can create the store, open Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account right here, and then let's start. First open your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen right here. And then here from your profile you need to tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here to go to settings. So tap there first and then tap on settings and privacy at the top of these options right here. And then here we are in settings. We need to find the category or an option that says blocking or blocked. So I'm gonna scroll down until you find it, and here it is, guys. Simply tap on there. As you can see right next to it, the number of people you blocked. Once you tap there, you find every single person that you have ever blocked on Instagram. To unblock anyone, just tap on unblock right next to their profile, and from here you should read this message to see if you agree with that, and you can unblock that user from there. You can even go to settings and simply search for blocking or block or just blocked in the top, and you should find it on at the top right here. Tap on it, find the person that you want to unblock, and then unblock them. You might unblock that account and all of the other accounts from this one button. And that is basically how can you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos, guys.